So in this video, let's take a look at how to create roofs by extrusion, since this is a curve, and also let's create this curved roof using this roof by extrusion method. Now previously what we've done is we just used this particular tool. We'll just click on roof and we created roof by footprint. That's the default roof tool that we have. But if you drop this arrow down, you have other options. You can do roof by extrusion, roof by face. In this case, we're going to use roof by extrusion. So I'm going to click roof by extrusion, and it's going to ask you which level you want to place it. I'm going to place it at level 4, just because it's on level 4. I'm going to click on OK, and since it's a curve, I'm going to use this arc tool here. I'll scroll in, and all I need to have is just to draw one line here, starting somewhere here. If you take a look at the pictures, it's shorter here, it's the gap is wider here, so I'm going to go here and start somewhere around this point, and maybe end somewhere like this, and then give a curve like so. And maybe I need to extend it a little bit beyond that. So that's all I need to do. It's just a line, and once I click on the green check mark, it's gonna finish. Now when you finish, or when you start even, you can change the type of roof that you have. Now it's the basic roof, generic 12-inch. We can use the 9-inch roof as well. That seems to be that looks good on this, and if you go into a 3D view, that's how your roof is gonna look like. Now the next thing that we need to do obviously is these glass curtain, this storefront curtain wall is it just goes beyond the roof, and we need to make sure that it just stays at the roof level. So all we need to do is select the glass curtain walls around this, hover your mouse, tab once, and it selects all the glass curtain walls that's there that are connected. Click in order to select all 4, and you can use this attach top to base and click on the roof. So it's going to give you a message saying a mullion needs to be deleted, and that's okay, we're going to delete that. And once you're done, it's gonna look like what we see in the images. So I think that's pretty good. That works for building. In the next video, let's take a look at the trusses that go inside of this roof. Now if you take a look at this, one of the images that we have, there is a truss that goes inside of the roof. So let's see how we can create the truss. If you take a look at other pictures, you see some details of the truss. So let's take a look at how we can create the truss.